What is the concentration of hydroxide in an aqueous solution of pH 8.6? Let me know what you think. The answer is in the comments below. And I'm going to give you guys a really quick way to solve these types of questions. It's going to really help you out in the MCAT. So a super easy way to solve this question very efficiently is to remember that your pH scale is from 0 to 14. And depending on the number that you get, this will indicate your hydroxide and hydrogen ion concentration. And you need to remember that your hydrogen and hydroxide ion concentration are always in balance, and the exponents always somehow add up to 14. So for example, in a pH of 7, both my hydroxide and hydrogen ion concentration will be 1 times 10 to the negative 7, and the exponents are going to add up to 14. So as a general rule, if you want to answer these questions quickly and efficiently without using the classical logarithm formula. And obviously, if you have an exam in class for chemistry, you're going to have to use the logarithm formula. This really only works on the MCAT because typically they give you more precise values and you don't have to give an answer to the exact decimal. So now that you understand that your pH and your pOH is going to add up to 14, you just need to subtract the amount of pH, typically, by 14. So let me run you through an example briefly. Let's say your OH minus concentration is 1 times 10 to the negative 8th. So what is your pH going to be, and what is your hydrogen ion concentration going to be? So with an OH minus value of 1 times 10 to the negative 8th, that will give you a pH of 6, and a hydrogen ion concentration of 1 times 10 to the negative 6. Notice how 1 times 10 to the negative 8th and 1 times 10 to the negative 6, the exponents, if you add up 8 and 6, this adds up to a total of 14, which is going to be the maximum number on your pH scale. It's always going to add up to 14. So in our question, we have a pH of 8.6. So what is going to be our hydroxide concentration? Well, if you take a pH of 8, and you take your number 8, and you subtract it by 14, what number do you get? You get 6. So now with that information, you just got to look at the exponent that's closest to 6, right? So you do 8 minus 14, that gives you 6. So our answer is going to be 4 times 10 to the negative 6th, and if you want to verify, you can calculate this using the logarithm formula, and you'll see this is the exact answer, 4 times 10 to the negative 6.